In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Telegram support. This process can help you resolve issues you may encounter while using the app. It's essential to know the right steps to ensure your concerns are addressed efficiently. First, open the Telegram app on your device. If you are using an Android device, look for the menu icon that resembles three horizontal lines in the upper left corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to reveal the menu options. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on the Settings option. This step is crucial because accessing the right menu is the gateway to reaching out for support. You will see various options that help you manage your app settings, privacy, and support. Once you are in the Telegram settings, locate the Ask a Question option. This is typically found within the support menu. Tap on it to proceed. At this point, you will see a notice that explains how Telegram support operates. It is important to read this notice carefully. Understanding that most support requests are handled by volunteers can help set your expectations regarding response times. After reading the notice, you will want to tap on Ask a Volunteer. This action is your direct line to getting assistance. Here you'll be prompted to describe your issue. Take your time to explain your problem in detail. Clear descriptions help the volunteers understand your situation better, ultimately leading to quicker resolutions. Once you have your message ready, tap on Send to submit your request. This makes sure your concern is officially logged in the support system. If you are unable to use the app for any reason, don't worry, you can still contact Telegram support online. To do this, visit Telegram's official support page at telegram.org/support/contact. This page is designed for users who need assistance but cannot access the app. Once you are on the support page, you will need to enter your full name. This step is essential because it identifies you in the system. Following that, provide your email address. This email will be used for any correspondence regarding your support request. Make sure to double-check for accuracy to avoid missing out on important updates. Next, enter your phone number, including the country code. This is critical for verification and communication purposes. Telegram might need to reach you, so providing the correct phone number ensures a smoother support experience. After you've filled in your phone number, describe your issue in as much detail as possible. The more information you provide, the better the volunteers can assist you. Once you've completed the form, click on the Submit button. This action sends your request directly to Telegram support. Keep in mind that response times may vary since many requests are handled by volunteers. This little step saves you a lot of time later by ensuring that your issue is on the support team's radar. If you prefer to find answers to common questions or troubleshooting guides on your own, you can visit the Help Center. The official FAQ is located at telegram.org/FAQ. This resource is invaluable for quickly solving typical problems that users face. Before concluding, it's essential to remember that Telegram does not offer a public customer support phone number. This means that all support must go through the app or online forms. Support responses can take some time, so patience is key. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Telegram support effectively.